like the Game Over concept, LINCO World coming to support the Game Over concept. Okay, so LINCO, like, after that thing, so far, your comments on it, and how do you feel to be part of this thing?
I think so far so good. I late stage my lighting and mom and Bensha comes out. Everything be positive. So far so good.
So what should we expect from you? And can you promise us like a concert, an album, or like anything?
Yeah, going forward into next year, man. We have a lineup of projects, so they should watch out for LINCO Boy.
Okay.
And then my brother here, Redeemer.
Okay.
They come out with so much fire, yeah.
Okay, Redeemer. Okay, so Redeemer.
Yes, sir.
Like, is he also like an artist? Okay.
Yes.
So Redeemer,
yes,
part of like performing with LINCO Boy, like your experience and like comments.
Yeah, I think LINCO Boy has been so instrumental into my music career because he not only serves as an artist, you know, maybe just doing a music with me, but he gives me directions, you know, 1, 2 or 3 things. So it has been very helpful with working with LINCO Boy.
So can LINCO Boy promise us of something?
Next year is our year. Next year is our year. Like they should watch out for us, bro.
All right. Thank you very much for
All right, thank you.
I really appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you very much.